What do you want? What do you want? Up? What do you want?
Where are we going?
She wants both of us.
Okay, I'm following you. Where are you going? Where are we going? We're coming. Here we go.
Oh.
Are we playing peekaboo?
Peek!
Oh. Peek! Oh, peek. Where's Ireland? Oh, there you are. Hi.
I see you.
Peek.
What?
Oh.
Ireland, can you say book? Are you going to drink all that shake?
Okay. Good girl.
You going to be on a sugar high now? Can you say book? Book, okay.
Book?
Then what's that other word that you say? What other word do you say sometimes? You say it really good.
Get down.
Ireland.
You're gonna fall.
Are you hyperventilating? Get down, Ireland.
She looked at me. Are you okay? Oh, are you okay?
You're fine. You shouldn't have done that, though. You could have got hurt.
It looked like she broke her neck.
No, she didn't. Yeah, lights. Yeah, great.
Did that get on the film?
Yes. Say bye, now that we've filmed your daring feat at death.